Introducing the EZ-Latch lock. Simple and effective for two-stage top last ejection. Let's explore the EZ-Latch lock, focusing on its main components: the latch bar, the fixed latch body, and the retainer. Here, observe how the latch body remains fixed, while both the latch bar and retainer move. Now, let's examine the latch lock in detail. Notice how the retainer's position dictates the first stroke, S1. During the initial stroke S1, the retainer and latch bar move together. After S1, the retainer releases the latch bar to complete the final stroke, while the retainer stays stationary. Let's see how the latch lock is installed in a mold base. The retainer is mounted on the bottom ejector plate. The latch bar is mounted on the top ejector plate. And the latch body is mounted on the fixed, bottom clamp plate. Similarly, another latch lock is mounted on the other side of the mold base to maintain balance and precision. Here's the mold base in action. Initially, both ejector plates move together for the designated stroke, S1, allowing the lifters to release undercuts. After the first stroke, the top ejector plate continues independently for the final stroke to eject the part. In this sectional view of the latch lock, observe how the latch lock controls the movement precisely, facilitating an accurate two-stage top last ejection. Let's see how to choose the right EZ-Latch lock for your application. Start by setting the required stroke, S1, as shown. Next, select the body length that fits best on the fixed, bottom clamp plate. Finally, choose the latch bar length that's ideal for mounting on the top ejector plate, as demonstrated here.